Hey guys, I am here with a video, and my other video I accidentally deleted that I was making hydro dipping my fidget spinner, which it worked. I'm just mad because my hands are messed up. So I hydro dipped it with, let's see, aluminum red and a metallic orange, and I think I did pretty well. If you're new, subscribe. Comment what I should do next. Let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers and 5,000 likes, and I will do a special giveaway. So I have so much fidget spinners. I have that, and the fidget spinner I hydro dipped was a light up one. And shout out to Steven Scherer. He was the YouTuber that did this first, or at least what I know. So go look at Steven Scherer's. Thank you, Steven Scherer. Shout out to you. And hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.